We absolutely love rice in this household, but I'm terrible at making it. So I had to get myself a rice cooker, and I'm gonna be trying it for the very first time. So we're gonna see if it is user-friendly, because I feel like if I can use it, you can use it as well. So we've plugged it in and it automatically went on warm. I don't know if that like turns off, but I think it just kind of stays on warm, which is fine by me. So it does come with a little like user guide, which is definitely something that I need, because, you know, trying the first time, you have no idea what the measurements. It also comes with a steam basket, and inside here you have like all the information depending on what vegetables or what you're cooking. I even read something that you can make some fish in here, which I thought was kind of cool. So we are not using this today. We're just going to go with some rice, and we're going to be making 5.3 cups. So it says that we need 3 rice measurements. Now, I wasn't sure what that meant. I'm just assuming it means I need 3 of these. So we're going to go ahead and just fill this up and dump it in here. 1, hopefully I have enough, 2, and whoop, 3. All right, and then it says with the 3 of those, then we are gonna go to mark 3. So inside here, not sure if you can see, but we have different marks. So we have 2, it starts with 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes all the way up. So I just have some water here. So I'm just gonna pour that in until I see mark 3. We're gonna do this. There we go. Then we are going to put on the lid. We're gonna put it on cook. There we go. So it was interesting because even before anything was in here, obviously it's based on the weight. When I tried to flip it to cook, it would not do that because it knew that there was nothing in here. So that's very smart. So this says based on the amount of rice in here, it's going to take 23 to 28 minutes. So we're just going to let it do its thing, and we're going to come back and check how it is. If only you could smell how delicious this smells right now. I'm so excited to try it. So as I said, the book said anywhere between 23 and 28 minutes. It took a little bit less than that. Didn't beep or anything. All it did was that this part popped and it went over to warm, which is definitely something I appreciate, because obviously if you're busy still cooking your meal, it's going to keep it nice and warm. But at the end of the day, the important part is how well did it cook it? How does it taste? So it did also come with this little like spoon scooper here. Oh my goodness. You know, we have not had great rice in quite some time because I haven't had a rice cooker. This looks absolutely delicious. My stepdaughter is going to be elated, but of course now we have to try it. Obviously it is piping hot, but let's see. Let's see. It's proper rice. Finally. We're gonna have some great rice in this household. Super easy. Obviously, as you saw, I love that the directions were really on key. I added the right amount of water, right amount of rice based on what it says. And this year you can actually make up to, what was it? 14 cups of cooked rice. So obviously it doesn't look like it's that big, but this is massive. This right here is 5.3 cups of rice. So yeah, I think it works really well, and I am excited to eat some dinner now.